Hey friends, welcome to Pitch to Profits with Shane and Cindy, and welcome to Creative Real Estate University. At Pitch to Profits, we just like to go over our weekly deals about where we have opportunities for private money lenders. We have several in our community. We have an opportunity for you to get involved in our projects and become partners with us. I just want to take a second, kind of walk through the website that we have in case you haven't seen it before. And we'll just kind of high level look at some of the deals. And if you're interested in more details, I'll give you a chance to book a call with me and we'll go over them in greater detail. And a chance for you, if you'd like, just to go right in and hop on the call and invest with us and join. We have over $4.5 million right now pledged to different private money lenders across several projects. This is year 3 for us, Cindy and I, as a partnership, and we paid back every private money lender we've borrowed money from or are still partnered with today. And we'll also send you a link for all of the referrals that we have. We have some great testimonials from our private money lenders. So getting right to it, let me just share my screen. If you're ever looking for our deals, get out of there and just go to go.riverlifehold.com. And I'm just going to drop that in the chats. In the chat. So I can do this while I am presenting. There you go. It's in the chat. So if you go to go.riverlifehold.com, you come to this hub where it has, hey, do you want to earn double-digit returns on your investment? So this is our private money lending tab. We also do EMD and transactional funding. We have a button there if you want to learn more. If you need help funding your next deal, whether you're looking for a hard money loan for fix and flip or DSCR loan for a rental, or you need maybe a private money loan, this is the link that you want to go and fill out your application. Just a few more things on here. Hey, you want to schedule a call with myself or Cindy? You can schedule a consult right here. If you want to set up a self-directed retirement account for investing in real estate, John Park is the guy he's our guru for all things self-controlled directed IRA accounts. Go ahead, you can book a call with him. He's the best guy to talk to about that. If you're looking for different services like transactional coordinator, our underwriters, our closers, our virtual assistants, help with setting up or purchasing a CRM or maybe managing one that you already have, you use our services tab. There's all sorts of good help there. And if you are a buyer, you want to put it on our buyers list because we always have deals that come up that we pass through to some of our clients. Join our buyers list. Just let us know what your buy box is, what you're looking for, and we'll see if we can't send some deals your way. And it would be greatly appreciated if you're not already a member of our Creative Real Estate University. Click on this tab here. Come on over to Creative Real Estate University. Join us. There's a great community there of over 4,500 people as of right now. So hop in. We're really looking to find other like-minded individuals like yourself. And then we have other miscellaneous affiliates and resources, some of the tools that we use. Go ahead and take a look through the resources tab. But today we're going to talk about earning those double-digit returns on your investment. So we'll click on the private money lending tab. And right now we have 2 different blocks of investment opportunities. Opportunity number 1 is really in business acquisitions. We are providing a bridge loan between a business acquisition and a small business administration loan for the payout. This usually takes anywhere from 3 to 6 months. So we're kind of looking at these loans being 6 to 8 months, but we're paying a 16% annualized return. And these are secured by UCC 1 filing. So this is your senior secured business lien, your senior secured position, and low minimum investment there, be 50 grand, $50,000 to get you started. We have plenty of investors who are doing much higher than that. We have almost $2 million currently enrolled in business acquisitions, and we are on our fourth payout. So our fourth business that we've acquired, and SBA's paid back the lenders, and we have a couple more businesses coming up. If you want to see what the current pitch deck is, details of the current project, just go ahead and click on that tab, and this will pull up right now, a little pitch deck on who the team is, details of what the business acquisition is. In this case, it's an indoor glow-in-the-dark pup-up. It's a great business opportunity, and it's actually really good lenders that are behind this. So if you want to get in on this, again, we're not buying the business. You won't be equity share. You're helping fund the bridge loan. 16% annualized. All the details are in there. Take a look at it. Give me a call if you are interested in funding something like that. It's a great, very secured, lots of equity behind that, and a great track record. The second group of projects that we're funding is our fix and flips. We have several. This is where we partnered with Mitch. Mitch is our bird dog. He's out finding the deals, managing contractors. He has 17 years plus experience. Between us, we own over 100 properties. We have a whole team behind this group, this whole philosophy. This is really our core of our business, is acquiring these hot properties, getting them under contract, funding them. We're bringing hard money and private money to acquire them and flip them around. Right now, what we're paying is we're paying 16% flat, so it's over a 6-month term. We're paying you for the full 6 months. And so if we get it done in 5, it's better for you. I'd like to see them done in 4, but we haven't done that yet. Typically it falls between 5 and 6 months. We get the rehab done, get the property sold, and or if we acquire it ourselves, we'll also be the buyers. We'll pay off the private money lending partners as we go out and get a DSCR loan and turn these into rentals. We do both long-term rentals as well as co-living properties. So click on this additional information. I'll show you to our current and up-to-date pitch deck. On the front of this, the first couple slides is, hey, who we are. Here's our team who's out generating all the leads. There's a great big blue ocean of opportunity out there. We do a lot of co-living. Co-living is really a great cash flow at the moment. There's a lot of new open markets coming through. If you want to hop on a call and talk about co-living or pad split investment model, go back and hit that tab and book a call with me. This is kind of talks about really rough how we go about our underwriting process. We have links to videos of, hey, here's some deals we've done. Here's some of our lenders. Click through and watch some of the video testimonials we have. And then here's a couple of projects that we are currently working on. So 50/50 Venetian, we're about ready to close this one out. It'll be closed out this week. We have, that's an old number, that 50,000 committed. We have about $30,000 left to fund. If we don't get it from a private money investor this week, we will self-fund that last piece. But we're going to close on this project. This is going to be the first of many in St. Pete, Florida, that we're going to be doing. And again, they fit very similar to this model and right around this price range. So After repair value on this one is just over $1 million. It will be all in for about 700,000. So if we can get this one, this will be a really nice triple-digit flip. The next one we're looking at is this modest little house that we have in Decatur, Georgia. It's a little 3-bedroom, 2-bath. We'll be looking for 110 in renovation. And then we have some holding costs and operational costs. So total PML looking for 163. If you're looking for a house in Georgia, this is a fantastic one. We have another one coming up in Las Vegas. So as you can see, we have quite a few of these. I don't know when you're going to be watching this video. So some of these properties might already be closed and paid off. We might have new ones. Either way, that link will work, and you'll just kind of get through the front end of the presentation of who we are and the background information, get into the projects. And then if you go through a couple more, you'll start getting into the houses that we've already funded and closed on. Shakopee is the one we just recently done. Just closed on this one, so we're just started construction. This is one that we're going to keep as a co-living home. There's a couple more. There's one in Austin, Arizona, a couple in Arizona, North Carolina. So we have quite a few projects done. Hopefully we can find one that you're interested in and would like to fund on. If you see the total dollar amount invested and you can't bring to the table that whole amount, don't worry about that. Give me a call. Usually we can find a partner and have 2 or 3 investors put together. We can fractionalize that note and get the deal done. And that way you're still secured to the property, but as a partnership, and we can get it all done. Have any questions? Excited about joining us? We're excited to be working with you and hope to talk to you soon. Have a great day.